Good morning, students. Let us start today's class. Yes, today, what are you going to learn? You are going to learn, besides stomata, what are the other parts of the plant help in respiration? Do the roots respire? Why does plant dies if it is overwatered? Let us discuss. The first one is, what is lenticel? Before that, let me talk about the role of stomata once. Stomata on the surface of leaves help in the process of exchange of gases as well as transpiration. You have learned that in the previous video class. Now, besides stomata, some other parts of the plant like woody branches that are made of dead cells on the surface have small pores known as lenticels, which also help the underlying living cells to exchange gases during respiration. So what are lenticels? Lenticels are the pores present on bark of the tree. Lenticels help to exchange gases. See, you can see the bark of the tree. Bark is nothing but the dead cells of the woody branch. Yes, this part, see the down of these or underlying down of these dead cells, there are live cells, living cells. So how do these living cells respire? Do they have stomata there on the bark? No, they don't have stomata. So lenticels are the small pores which are present there on the bark of the tree, help bark of the tree help to exchange the gases. So what is lenticel? Lenticel is nothing but the pores present on bark of tree that help to exchange gases. Here you can see the microscopic view of lenticels. See the pore there on the hole or pore there on the bark of the plant, bark of the tree. Through these pores only the exchange of gases take place, so that the underlying living cells get oxygen during respiration. Okay. So other than stomata, some other parts also help in the process of respiration in plants. Now move on to the next part. Do the roots respire? Definitely. Roots have to respire in order to survive. Yes, in order to live. Then, how do the roots respire? Roots are the underground part of the plant. Roots grow underground. So, underground, is there oxygen? Yes, definitely, but not in the not there in the atmosphere, isn't it? Roots are there in the soil. So there are lot of air spaces present between the soil particles. Roots absorb oxygen from these air spaces. Here the farmer is planting the tree, planting the maize plant. Okay, yes, he is plowing the land to make the or he makes the soil loose to improve the air circulation there in the soil. Yes, here in the other side you can see so two bottles. In first and second bottle you see there is soil in the dark black color soil put there in the bottle, and there are bubbles. There are bubbles, you can see air spaces are present there in the soil. This is what is the activity. Okay, so how do roots respire? Roots respire the air. Roots take in air, oxygen from the air spaces present between the soil particles. Is it clear? Now, see the next one. Next slide. When see, you can see you must have observed that a potted plant which is overwatered, after few days, it started yellow in color and slowly it dies. What is the reason for that? When a plant dies when it is overwatered, how does it happen? When a plant is overwatered, it dies after few days. What is the reason? The reason is that the soil, the air spaces there in the soil is get blocked by water, and the roots cannot absorb oxygen. The roots cannot take in oxygen. Slowly the roots die, and the plant also dies slowly. Okay, so plant dies when it is overwatered. So this is the short two topics we discussed in today's video. One is lenticels help in the respiration exchange of gases in woody branches, and the roots take in oxygen from the soil air spaces present between the soil particles. These are the two small topics we discussed. Here, how does the plant dies when it is overwatered? Air spaces in soil get blocked. Roots can't absorb oxygen, and then roots die slowly. The plant also dies. I hope you understood today's short topic, and you read textbook page number 106. You will be having a slip test there on Saturday. No, not on Saturday, on Friday, from pages 102 to 107, what all topics we discussed. So read textbook thoroughly and do the worksheets which I am going to send, and prepare well. Okay, children. Okay, thank you.